Lexar today announced its new JumpDrive Fingerprint F35 USB 3.0 flash drive, which uses fingerprint authentication to protect its data. It works at speeds of up to 150 megabytes per second, and can recognize fingerprints in less than a second. You can configure it to recognize up to 10 different people, and it is protected with 256-bit AES encryption to keep your files safe. The 32GB variant is available to pre-order on Amazon now for $32.99, but it's not clear when the flash drive will ship. There are also variants of 64GB, 128GB and 256GB, which will cost $50, $90 and $170, respectively, and will be sent in the coming months. Although Lexar says that the JumpDrive is compatible with Mac and Windows PC, Mac owners without a USB 3.0 port will not be able to use the flash drive without a dongle.